Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a gorgeous and lovely wig from this company called Julia Hair. I've worked with them before, so definitely this is a company that I'm familiar with. Without any further ado, I'm going to dig into this box and see what else they sent me with this wig. I got this little mesh bag that contains a few stuff that I may need when installing my wig, so this will definitely come in handy someday. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. It's their 24-inch lace part wig. I never had a lace part wig before, so I don't know much about it. However, there's two things about this wig that I really like, and it's the color and the fact that it was easy to install. So this lace part wig is kind of similar to a T-part wig, except it doesn't have any lace on the sides to glue down. It has two clips in the sides and one in the back, and it also has a piece of lace in the back that I'm going to be cutting off soon. I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on my head, and I'm going to definitely use the clips in the side to secure it on, especially because I don't have a lot of lace to, glue on today.
I see people in places and things so clear. Oh, life has brought me here. Any, many, money, more. Pick a place and there we'll go. Walk this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh. Any, many, money, more. Try some food that I know.
The lace on this wig is pre-bleached. I forgot to mention that, so I won't be tinting the lace or putting any foundation on my stocking cap. I'm just gonna go right ahead and secure it on with my got to be glued free spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry the free spray a little bit before adding some more, and then put the lace down on it and dry completely. Now I'm gonna go right ahead and cut this lace off the front. I'm taking some baby hair out on the sides, and I'm gonna be cutting these just because of the way the lace is on this. There's no lace on the side, so I just feel like it would be better to cut these down shorter before sweeping them back into the hair. To lay my edges, I'm gonna be using my BTL foam wrap lotion. As you can see here, I tried laying the baby hair without cutting them, and I saw that that was not gonna work, so yeah, I had to go ahead and cut them down to make them lay better against the side of my hair. So when I was cutting them, I decided to cut them right where my eyebrows are, just so I don't make them too short, because I didn't want to have any kind of problem with them. So the length where I cut them was just perfect. And now I'm just adding some more of the foam wrap lotion to lay them down.
What are we doing? Losing on this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time.
Now to bring out my parting and make it look a little bit more natural, I'm going to be using this foundation, which is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. And I'm gonna use this little tiny brush that I have to apply it onto the parting to bring it out. Now I'm using some more of my foam wrap lotion and I'm applying it, you know, to the edge of my hair to lay it down a little bit. And this is totally optional. You could just brush your hair down from here and voila. But I usually like doing this for some reason. I don't know. It's just it's just a thing. I'm gonna tie my edges down now and allow them to dry, so I'm pinning my hair up to get it out the way so I don't have to tie none of my hair down when I do so. This what I'm using to tie my edges down is an elastic band that I got on Amazon. I think I got about 6 of them in the pack, but the thing I love about it, it has Velcro on it that easily holds it in the back as soon as I put it behind me. I know I use it a lot of times, but I never explained to you guys what exactly it is and where I got it, so hopefully that helps. Now I'm gonna go ahead, let my hair down and do some final work on it before I'm done. As you can see, my hair already has curl in it, but I want the front to be curled a certain way because it's just something I do. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my curling iron and give it some curls in the front. Only the front I'm curling today, not the back, just the front, just to give it, you know, a different curl pattern. So I think I'm gonna do about 3 sets on each side in the front, and that's about it. So now I'm all done curling the front of my hair and I'm pleased with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. I'm back, guys, and I am so in love with this whole outcome of the hair, makeup, the outfit. I feel like everything just blends, just looks so gorgeous together. Let me go ahead and show you guys the back of the hair. You know, I have to show you guys what it looks like. And look at all that wave pattern. So this is the reason why I did not want to do any curling to the back, but I just want to have my own curl pattern going on in the front. So that's the reason why I added the curl to it. Again, this wig is from Julia. It's their lace part wig. Like I said, it's my first time trying a lace part wig and I feel like it came out looking so gorgeous. I will leave all the information for the hair down below and also for their website. I will also try to get you guys a discount code, you know, so you could save some money off your purchase, because I like it when you guys save money, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And look, guys, we did it. Finally hit 50k subscribers. I couldn't have done it without y'all, so a very big thank you to each and every one of you. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!